I'm not sure if this is a crow or a raven. By the way, welcome to Exuding Love with Kay. I am Kay. Either the dark, majestic crow or raven. Look at him just, or her, simply being herself, himself. I've never heard a crow make this noise before,
Bro,
so
cause it's
someone
not
let
a
me know.
crow.
Can you be quiet? My teenage son. Music background. Anyway, I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. We are in Catalina Island, and this beautiful creature is just being itself, and we are being ourselves. Thankful, grateful for the experience to see how gorgeous nature is. Have a blessed day.